Hello everyone, we're Lance Fantasy Gaming. We're doing part 2 for October 2024 Patreon STL files. We'll be looking at D&D, Warhammer proxies, and figures. If you do enjoy, please subscribe, like, and share. And check out our Patreon Discord down below. So let's get started. So we got Azerma. If you get 325 Patreon, we'll be unlocking these two. And for upcoming month, we'll be getting these three figures. I like the beta. Actually, that's fine too. But yeah, those three for your animes. Neko figurines. We'll be getting these two. Beatrice from ReZero. Faye Zio from Honkai Star Rail. Mile Studio. I think everyone voted 26 on Fate, Grand Order, Lance, Littorio. I think that one right there. And yeah, I think that'll be it for our next one that's coming up as well. PG Gusta 3D figurines. I think for this month, I don't know what we're getting. October poll. These are all September. I don't know what we won in October. So we'll be getting Harley Quinn from Suicide Squad, looks like it. So I'm guessing it's November. So Supergirl, Harley Quinn, and Chitara will be for October. Yuki Studio. This is our November one. September characters. Let's see what we got for October. Will be Targalia, Genshin Impact, and Nagatoro, I'm guessing for October as well, for those two figures. Yuka Palua is another figurine. They haven't finished September one out yet. So Supersonico and Zaizono Kori. Sorry if I'm butchering it, but that was for September one. That hasn't been finished yet. Luft Manchu Studio. Zendragosa is going to be the next one that we're going to be making. Right now you can get for this month is Zal'atha from World of Warcraft, from the new expansion. Nation Rodeo 3D Studio, another figure one as well. We're getting Singular Mars. Let's see how far it's done. So Sailor Mars coming out nicely. Pink Studio, another figure. Uzuki, I think that's supposed to be the next one, right? No, that's for this one, Uzuki. For last month. For this month, we are getting Shatir, Evo Nero, Hatsune, Luzna, and Neptuna Archdemon. So, I think for that to win, I think Neptuna, no. Evo Nero won. So, we're getting that one instead. Nope, Shatir Bloodfall we're getting. 31%. Noon Kun, another figurine as well. They just had a vote. And I think the winner is, I don't know, it looks like it'd be a new vote for it. But if it was me, probably the first one from Pure Black. Pinky Prince, another figurine. These are October models. Made Rebecca, Valor from Fire Emblem, and these two are basically from that's going to be like cross, what you call it, perform with each other. Kuro figure, another figures as well. This is our October lineup. Ken from Neo Replicant, ABA from Guilty Gear, and Kasaki from Blue Archive. Cast and play, D&D. Very good. We're getting Halloween now. It's a good, cool thing that we're having for this month. We're going to watch the video for this. So we got some spiders, pumpkins, and a whole bunch of other stuff. that we'll be getting for this month. So, nice pumpkin prowler. So I'm expecting a lot of Halloween stuff for October. We have a tree ant, dark tree ant, and some ghost, some kind of cheap looking ghost too. So it looks like they're just wearing sheet specters in many ways. We got some more pumpkin patches. Looks like a lich. Skull Syndicate. So we got like a zombie orc or goblin. Undead folks. A child on the swing. Creepy puppet. A nice big spider. Or skeletons. Tiny terrors. It looks like a mind, elder mind. Headless horseman. And we've got some undead companions as well. This is actually pretty cool. Not bad. Not bad at all. Let me turn this down. Okay, Highland Miniatures is another Warhammer Proxies. I think they released the Chaos. This is the Undead Vampire one. That's going to be for probably Age of Sigmar for their Undead Army. Or this could be more from the old world. I don't know if vampires were in the old world. Please let me know down in the comments below. Because I really don't know. Beastarium, if you're into Elden Ring, dark type of D&D miniatures and stuff. This is actually pretty good too as well. So we got Caliphant Primeval, so like undead looking dinosaurs and lizard folks. And Basilisk, that looks really menacing. It looks like kind of dead. Happy Galvanine. That's really creepy. Looks like Sphinx. Two weird looking Sphinx and harpies. And harpy hatchling. That's really creepy. And your heroes as well for your game. Really dark. Really, really dark, I'll say. Artisan Guild. And then we're having goat folks. So yeah, we're having goat folks for a game. Huh. Not a lot of people use goat folks unless you're doing like a Diablo style game, because you have a lot of goatmans in the monster manual for them as well. I think you can probably use these as your chaos beast for your proxies as well. I know they ban a lot of them too. And there's like minotaurs. More minotaurs. Gobador Dash, pretty cool looking. Holding a dead body. And there's your pinups, your terrains, and your giant ones. That's probably a good chaos beast, like a beast prince or something. That'll look really, really cool. And your beast, and your bust as well. Bite the bullet. This will be the last one for the video. We're gonna watch the trailer for the Golden. So we have a little animal critters. Pie for your D&D game, and this is your throwback one as well. Got a pigeon ranger, a raccoon thief. There was a raccoon druid. Frog Monk, Frog Folk Wizard, Squirrel Sorcerer, Ferret Folk Rogue, with a Hedgehog Bard, cute stuff, Mouse Cleric, and Lizard Folk Barbarian, Rooster Warrior, Bird Folk Forest Keeper, Crow Folk Warlock, Pigeon Folk Cleric, Mole Folk, and here's your pin-up Squirrel Girl. Well, I hope you guys do enjoy. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.